Sa ating paglalakbay, hindi lamang tanawin at pagkain ang ating nadidiskubre, kundi pati na rin ang kagandahang loob, talino at lakas ng kababaihang Pilipino. Ngayon, atin namang saksihan ang isang gabi ng kinang at layunin. Isang entabladong hindi lang nagpaparangal sa ganda, kundi sa advokasiyang isinusulong ng bawat kandidata.
In Manila, 21, Putyang ang populasyon! Cotton Bay, Pasaga, Beltran, 18, Batang!
Arwa, Samantha, Giray, Balanya, 22, Putyang ang Bayambang!
SNK, William Malutz, 21, Modiay ng Daliman! Shimaba, 21, Putyang ang Batiman! Pato Jairo Martinez, 20, Putyang ng Quezon! Liza Grace Mama, 20, Putyang ng Mayong! Rose Islao, 18, Putyang ng Bakuyan! Micaela Samantha Mesha, 20, Putyang ng Puton! Mayan Mirador Milanyo, 22, Putyang ng Bembang! Christine Ann Versa Balboa, 20, Putyang ng Maya! Aliyah Esquijo Montehermoso, 23, Putyang ng Nangalisan!
Bawat hakbang sa runway, bawat sagot sa tanong, ay sumasalamin sa damdaming hindi natutulog. Ang damdaming handang maglingkod, magtaguyod, at magbigay inspirasyon.
And why do I want to win this? Because I am someone who is ready to conquer not only Infanta but the whole Pangasinan, to show that Infanta is a beautiful place. And I believe that if I am crowned as Mutyanang Infanta, I will know my responsibilities that I will have to do. We must prioritize what is best for the collective rather than war, such as improving ways to lessen poverty, improving access to education and healthcare that can empower individuals to contribute positively to society than the war. For me, the attributes that the women have is having a confidence and advocacy. Just like me, I have an advocacy to empower women, to uplift women, and I want to educate the 26,262 people of Infanta about my advocacy. Because every time I hear a story of an abused woman, it really saddens me. I believe no woman here in Infanta deserves violence, and violence should stop now. That's why I'm standing here tonight, amplifying the hidden and accomplished stories of all the women here in Infanta. Because we are not just the women of yesterday and today. We are the women of the future. Kasi sa Infanta, iba na si Eva, patuloy tayong makikibaka. Thank you!
We have the upcoming election. I believe I will use my voice to open up the minds of every people, the mind that seeks wisdom, that we should know how to choose the right leader. What are the qualities of this leader? First, we need to have this transparency where leaders should have integrity, where leader should also know how to have commitment.
By encouraging them that celebrating this kind of culture while embracing our modern advancement is a way to honor our community and our culture. And as a Mutyanang Infanta 2025, I will use this platform to serve as a megaphone to those youth who often go unheard.
Lahat ng kandidata ay hindi lang simbolo ng ganda, kundi ng talino, tapang, at pagmamahal sa kanilang bayan. Sa kanila, ang entablado ay naging tahanan ng paninindigan. Pagkatapos ng gabing puno ng kinang at adhikain, nasaksihan natin hindi lamang ang pagkorona sa mga reyna, kundi ang pag-usbong ng mga boses ng pagbabago.
Mutya ng Kalikasan 2025 goes to Mutya number 11! Maria Kristen and Balboa, and of course, this year's Mutya ng Infanta 2025 goes to candidate number 6, Elana Changa Martinez from Barangay Tato. Presenting the awards to all Mutya ng Kalikasan 2025.
Mula sa puso ng komunidad hanggang sa liwanag ng entablado, Mutya ng Infanta 2025 action. That beauty can be bold, compassionate, and full of purpose. And dreams are just beginning to shine.
Elana Jaya Lebon Pasel Martinez of Barangay